The distance between the stations P and Q is 600 kilometers. So let's plot the points P and Q. They are at a distance of 600 kilometers. Now train A, it starts from P towards Q, and train B, it starts from Q towards P at the same time. So they start simultaneously. Both the trains are moving at a constant speed of at least 40 kilometers per hour, and they meet each other for the first time after 5 hours. So using relative speed, we do know that time taken by two bodies to meet if they're traveling in the opposite direction is given as distance between them divided by sum of their speeds. Suppose SA and SB are their respective speeds. And this is given to us as 5 hours. So from here, we will get sum of the speeds as 600 by 5, which is 120 kilometers per hour. If one of the speeds is 40, the other is 80. If one of the speeds is 50, another is going to be 70, and so on. We don't know the individual speeds, but right now we do know their sum of the speeds. Next, it says that what is the maximum time that the slower train can take to reach its destination if the faster train took at least 3 hours more to reach its destination after the meeting. So since we don't know which one is the faster train, so let's assume that A is the faster train and B is the slower train. Now, A must have traveled for 5 hours, B must have traveled for 5 hours, and they must have met here, let's say. Now, after meeting, the faster train, as in A, takes 3 hours more to reach its destination, right? So what is the speed of the slower train? So can we say that A took 5 hours initially to cover P to meeting point and another 3 hours? As in the total time, A, which we have assumed as the faster train, it took 8 hours to cover 600 kilometers. If A takes 8 hours to cover 600 kilometers, what is the speed of A? 600 by 8, which is going to be 75 kilometers per hour. Now, if speed of A is known to be 75, we do know that the speed of B is going to be the remaining, which is going to be 45 kilometers per hour. Now, we do know what the speed of B is, and we do know how much distance B has to cover. So time taken by B to cover the entire distance is going to be 600 divided by 45. Now, they both are in the table of 15. So if we take care of 15 from the numerator, we'll be left with 40, and we will have 3 in the denominator. 40 by 3 is going to be 13, 1 by 3 hours. So B becomes our answer.